Hi, my name is Ruth, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make inexpensive microscopes. So the first one I have is just with a magnifying glass, and you can kind of, like make your own stand. Like this is literally being held together with tape. And so have like my dish when you put your larva in it. And so what you do is you get like one of these flashlights and you just like for light. They're LED lights, so they don't make any heat, so they don't like affect the larva in any way. And so you just kind of put this like on your ring stand, and it has pretty good magnification, definitely better than just looking at it. And you can like move your dish around or this around. And if that's not enough, to see like things like mouth hook movements, there are also these cool like concave like lenses, like they bulge out on both sides, which is really cool. And they have significantly like clear and like better magnification. And yeah, pretty much the same thing still. You can just like count mouth hook movements and body wall movements, things like that. And yeah, or sometimes what you could even do, change it up a little bit. So there are these, and by the way, you can get these online. You can get this online too, and they're both like very cheap. But so it's like a lens, and they light up. So sometimes you see, and so it's cool because then it has its own light, and these have actually really good magnification. And you can like follow your larva and see what it's doing, that kind of stuff. And then lastly, you could even just get the eyepiece from a microscope like this. This one is 10 times magnification, and these are really cheap, like cheaper than a whole microscope. And yeah, you could follow your larva around. Personally, I don't actually really like this one, but it works. So yeah, that's how to just use simple lenses to make a homemade microscope. Bye. Okay, so if you have a dissecting microscope, the first thing you want to do is to adjust your eyepieces so you can look in with both eyes. So you want to, well, you can move these too, which is like pretty great for like whatever distance your eyes are. So you want to like close one eye, and then you want to focus, and if you need to actually like change like how zoomed in it is, like that's good. And then with this piece right here, you want to close the other eye, and then you want to focus this one. So they're both like, so they're the same, so you can see what's happening. So that's all I have, and I guess y'all can just get to using your microscopes and recording your behaviors. Bye.